Well, hello YouTube. Today we are going to be trying to fix the stereo from my Imperial Ashley. Well, sort of. This is actually the face of that stereo, and the rest of it is over there. Both of these radios have issues. This one, it's got a little bit of a display issue. This one was also the cassette deck. Whenever you put a tape in it, it only worked on the right side, I think. These particular radios they're made by, I think, Hitachi. This one has other issues as well as the display. The right side on this one cuts out completely every once in a while. Here, let's see if this will work. A little bit of Grateful Dead. Come on, come out. This is a Bluetooth module, Bluetooth audio module, and I'm hoping to install that in the radio to upgrade to Bluetooth connectivity. I was able to figure out where the display problem was on the other one just by kind of, yep, there we go. That's going to need resoldered. So this is what it looks like with the faceplate off, and tapping these header connectors here and the actual connectors on the display itself does nothing, but pushing on the wires on top does correct the issue. So our cold solder joints are definitely on the top board, which is going to mean more tearing down. We've got a few burned out light bulbs here, which I want to replace while we're in here. Oh, hey, one just came back to life. And I also want to get to these two buttons right here, which are the fast forward and rewind buttons. This particular Bluetooth module has a back and a next button for the music selection that it'll send a signal back to your phone to switch songs, and I want to hardwire that into the forward and reverse buttons. Looking at this connector here, probably not going to be able to tell, but I can actually see a few cracked solder joints. So I'm going to go ahead and just reflow those right now. Alright, there we go, all done. This is the front panel board. The bulbs are replaced, and this is the bulb right here. Fits into a little socket. I wired up the buttons for the Bluetooth module. Blue is rewind, red is fast forward, white is the common, and purple is play, which is going to be, where is it here? This button here. These three buttons have a common ground because I've had this thing apart 5 or 6 times already, and I've been resoldering, and I haven't really gotten anywhere yet. I did get an input cable installed. I have the wiring installed for the button controls. I tried getting the Bluetooth working, and I think the module is a dud. I'm talking kind of fast because I've got about 1 minute left on my memory card. I also have to figure out how to enable the input. The issue with that is for the input to be enabled, the tape mechanism has to be engaged, and then even doing it manually without putting a tape in, the motor comes on and it tries to spit the tape out that is not there. But the other problem is the one channel wasn't working, and it was cutting in and out all the time. And I finally had it together and was poking and prodding around, and if I stick my pen in here and give a little push, it's probably not going to do it now that the video is running. So another bad solder joint somewhere.